Hey there, Brian Teague, Product Line Manager for Microcare Sticklers. Hey, one of the common questions we get in the industry is when should I use a mechanical clicker and when should I use a stick to actually clean a connector? And that's a great question. The great thing about mechanical clickers is they're great for high volume applications. So if you're dealing with like fiber counts of 288 and above, where you're gonna have the two mated pairs, a clicker is a really good option for that because it's going to let you go through, clean a lot of connectors very quickly and very consistently. The other thing too that you need to take into consideration is the environment, right? So clickers are really good for applications that have light levels of contamination. For example, maybe cleaning the gear inside of a rack in a data center, central office, or head end. Where they're going to kind of struggle at times just because of the mechanical design, and it's really true for all clickers, is when you start getting into medium to heavy levels of contamination. If you start getting into that, the issue you're going to have is that the clicker may have to be run multiple times. But if you start running the clicker more than about 3 or 4 times, you might be better off actually going to a stick. A stick may be more cost effective in that option. The other time too when a stick maybe makes sense is if you're dealing with smaller fiber counts. So for example, if I were putting a 24 or 48 fiber panel in, I might be better off from an economic standpoint of using the sticks. A box of sticks is going to be a lot less expensive with the fluid than actually buying a clicker itself. So if you're just doing small fiber counts, or if you're dealing with things that have heavy levels of contamination, for example, outside plant pedestal that has connectors that maybe weren't quite sealed up, or maybe some legacy equipment that's been there for a long time that hasn't been cleaned, a stick and the cleaning fluid may be a better option. The other thing too to take into consideration is also the environment that you're cleaning. So if you're dealing in an environment that is very dry, sometimes some of the clickers that are out there can generate electrostatic charge during the wipe process. By using the stick and the cleaning fluid, what you're doing essentially is breaking up the contaminant when you go through and do your cleaning. But the other thing too, the introduction of the fluid creates basically a dissipative medium, so it's going to pull off any electrostatic charge that's residing on the connector end face, as well as also the adapter sleeve. And most of the adapter sleeves now are either ceramic or phosphorus bronze. All right, so hope that helps out some. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, get in touch with us. Take care.